Hello everyone, welcome to You Can Automate. In this session, you are going to learn about how to connect real device with the APM, that is iPhone device with the APM, and how to set up the APM inspector with the real iPhone devices. So in the previous session, we have learned about how to set up the simulator with the APM, how to create the APM inspector with the simulator. So let's begin with the real iPhone device. In the many projects, real-time projects, there will be requirement to run the test cases against the real devices to check the compatibility of the different iOS versions and how to execute the test cases on different parallel iPhone devices. There will be a lot of requirements. So before starting with the setup, you need to watch these sessions. This session includes how to set up the APM and some of the prerequisite and how to set up the WebDriver agent and how to set up the APM and APM inspector with the simulator, right? These are the sessions which we have seen before. If you have not watched before, please go and watch it. I will provide the links in the description, or you can navigate from above given links also. So now coming to actual real device setup. So these are the steps. First we need to do WebDriver agent. So first we need to set up the WebDriver agent for real devices. So what you need to do here is take a iPhone, whatever you have, maybe you have a iPhone 14, 15, 16, whatever you have, and connect that iPhone device to a MacBook with a cable. And this is the iPhone device which I've connected. I'm sharing my iPhone device screen with using a QuickTime player so that whatever I do in my iPhone device, you'll be able to see on this recording, right? And once you connect that, you need to go to iPhone device and enable these settings. So what you will do here is go to your settings, and in the developer section, if you scroll down, there will be something called the developer. Go there and select this enable UI automation. After that, you need to run your WebDriver agent against your iPhone device. So how do I do that? First, copy this path and find the WebDriver agent. Where is your WebDriver agent? This is a command to find the WebDriver agent path and hit enter. So this is a WebDriver agent path, and what I will do, I'll just right click on it, open with Xcode. So this is a Xcode which I have it and have opened the WebDriver agent project. What you will do, select your iPhone device here. So this is iOS device, iPhone, which is showing. And before that, go to Windows, go to device and simulator, click on the devices and select your device, and here you select this show run destination, and in this drop down make sure that you have always selected. So closing this window, and here, so first select this WebDriver agent lib from the target and make sure that you have iPhone selected here and just click on build. So build got succeeded. Now next you select WebDriver agent runner and select your iPhone device and again click on build. The next thing what you will be doing here is integration app and then click on build. So this what it will do is it will install the integration app on your device and it will launch the integration app. That means you will be building your WebDriver agent against your iPhone device. So in case while running your integration app on your device, if you are facing any issue, and just check these settings. Say for example, you have just triggered the build on your iPhone device, but you are not able to build it and you are getting this pop-up means. So this says that the application what you are building is not trusted on your iPhone device. So in that case, what the instruction given here is go to general in your iPhone settings. Once you go to general, you can see in the right hand side how the device looks like. Just go inside this general, scroll down, and here you will be having something called VPN and device management. Just click on this, and once you click on that, if your application is not trusted, you will be having something like this which is shown in the screenshot. Trust the email ID whatever you have it, right? This email ID is your Apple account, Apple email ID, which you have logged in with. Just click on this trust, and then you'll be having one more pop-up that do you want to allow or not. Just click on allow, then you'll be done. Once you click on allow, you'll be having something like this, right? The trust button, whatever you'll be seeing, that will be gone. So after that, try to build again your application from Xcode, then you'll be able to build it successfully. So now the integration happened between your WebDriver agent and your iPhone device. Once this particular setup is done, now we need to understand how to connect APM inspector and the real device. In the previous session, we have seen how to connect APM inspector and the simulator, right? Similarly, we will be doing a connection between APM inspector and the real device. Then we'll try to inspect the different elements in the mobile device. So for that, what we need to do, first, make sure that you have connected your device to your system, and to confirm the device ID, you take this particular command, go to your terminal, and here execute this particular command, crun list all devices. So here it will provide all the devices which are connected to your system. So here we have one device connected, that is iPhone test with iOS version at 18.5, and this is your UDID of the device. So now we are confirmed that our device is connected and it is showing up bright. The next thing is open up APM inspector and add these desired capabilities. Go to your APM inspector and click on edit button here. So and all the desired capabilities whatever we have, that means that this is our platform, that is iOS, and as it is showing the command prompt, the iOS version is 18.5 and the device name is iPhone test, and the automation name is XUI test, and this is the DUD ID which we have copied from our terminal. And before starting it, we need to start our APM server on this particular port. You can select any of the port, but just I am selecting here 4727. So APM server is started. Just come to this APM inspector and click on start session. So this is our device and it is loading all the entire snapshot of the device, and whatever actions you do on this device, now you'll be able to inspect it. So this is about APM inspector, real device, how to set up a real device in APM inspector and access the elements from the real device. So try these steps and let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.